Can a person commit arson in a non-flammable structure? In 1977, a man in the Austin City Jail, along with two others, were burning wads of toilet paper, throwing them from their cell, trying to burn bedding. Through his actions, he demonstrated an intent to cause a fire, start a fire. He used a mattress to block the water hose from putting the fire out. He was heard yelling statements like "start a fire" and "let's burn it down" or "let the place burn." And we have an argument from the appellant that because he was in a non-flammable structure, they couldn't prove his intent to burn the building down, which is a required element of arson. So when we look at the arson statute and we look at the language and the elements in which are required, we'll see that a person commits arson if he starts a fire or an explosion. In this case, it's very obvious. We have several eyewitnesses that see wads of burning toilet paper being thrown from not only the appellant's cell but the neighboring cells. There were 2 or 3 people instigating this action. So we have that very apparent started a fire. And then the next element required is without the effective consent of the owner, and we would say that that'd be relatively easily provable. There's nobody in the jail administration, the county or the city of Austin, the county of Travis, that would have authorized inmates to light fires and start a fire within the jail, the cell block. So without the effective consent of the owner, with intent to destroy or damage the owner's building or habitation. And one of the keys here is that it uses the word destroy or damage. So regardless of whether or not he had an intent to destroy the building by burning it down, fire can damage the building in other ways. So even on concrete, steel, plastic, things along those lines, you could damage the building through scorch marks and things along those lines. So the answer would be yes. You can commit an arson even in a non-flammable structure.